Okay, let us continue. Who should watch this video? The method that we will share is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online from zero, and also suitable for the YouTuber with less than 4,000 hours watching time and less than 1,000 subscribers, and also for YouTuber who is unable to monetize their channel using YouTube partner program due to any reasons. Also suitable for anyone who wants to work from home and anyone who want to earn extra income. Without further ado, let us see the details. As a new YouTuber, it is very hard to get 1000 subscribers and also 4000 hours watch time in order to get monetized under YouTube partner program. But we are still can make money fast using affiliate product, and also you can share a free ebook or video which is related to your YouTube video. So let me explain more. What is affiliate product? Affiliate product is someone else's product which you can promote at your video description, and you just need to make sure that the product is related to your video. So how you can get those products? Okay, you can get it. You just need to join affiliate marketplace such as ClickBank or JVZoo, or there are many marketplace for affiliate. You can Google it. So you just need to join for free. Then you choose the product which is related to your niche or your YouTube video. Then just share the link at the video description. And also there is another way to make money fast. You just need to share free ebook or video which is related to your video, your YouTube video. So in this way, it is just a free sharing and you still can get paid. I'm using both ways, but for me personally, the most easiest way is the second step, which is second way is just sharing the free ebook or video which is related to my YouTube video. So how we can make money just sharing the free ebook or video? So in this video, you will know the 3 simple steps which I will share with you. The 3 simple steps to make money by just sharing free ebook or video. So you just need to keep watching this video. I will explain step by step. There are only 3 simple steps for you to follow. So just keep watching. I will show you how you can make this such amount of money. Hi, my name is Faizi. Thanks for watching our video. Today I will share with you about how to make money online. I'm not selling any how to make money online course because I'm not a guru. I just want to share with you the proven method that I know. Before we get started, please subscribe, like and share our channel so you will always get an update from us. Thank you and keep watching. Okay, this is my new channel which I just created. So the number of subscribers and the number of views are very low because it is still new, but I want to show you from this number of views I still can get money. I mean without YouTube partnership program. So I monetize it using the way that I will share with you. So let us see. Okay, this is the way how you can put your URL for your ebook. This is a sample. I mean, this is my channel, so you don't have to copy mine. I mean, you can put your own ebook based on your own niche, based on your channel niche or video niche. Okay, so for me, I put 2 ebooks here. So if the viewers click here to download it or click here to download it, both I will get money. I mean, if they click here or here, I will get money. So this is the way how you will make money, just sharing the URL for the ebooks. So you need to follow the step by step. There are only 3 steps for you to follow. Even is suitable even you are new YouTuber or new channel, new videos, or new in online business. You don't have any idea, but if you follow these 3 steps, for sure you can make money. So how I get many ebooks? So you can refer to the case study in the video description below. I share many things about the case study, I mean in the case study about this method. So just follow the step, only 3 steps. It's very simple, so you should try it. Thank you. Okay, this is the payment that you will receive. You will get paid in daily basis each time someone click on your sharing URL. Okay, now we will see the 3 simple steps that you need to follow. Step number 1 is you need to have the targeted niche ebook or video. And step number 2, you need to generate the tracking URL for that ebook or video. And step number 3 is you need to share the generated URL at any communities or group of discussion. So if you are a YouTuber, you can share the link, URL at your video description. So each video description you will share the link, or at the comment section which you pinned. So this is the 3 simple steps that you need to follow. So we will go in details. Okay, in order to start, we need to download the case study. So if you want to download the case study, it is available. The link is available in the video description below, so you can download it first. Okay, there are many things in the case study. Now what I want to explain is the 3 simple steps that you need to follow in order to monetize your YouTube channel. Actually, the case study is not only for YouTube, it's also if you want to make money online. Using this method is available. You can do it using the same method, but in this case I want to explain how you can monetize your YouTube channel using this step. Okay, the first step is you need to have ebook or videos to share with your targeted audience. Okay, so your targeted audience means that the audience that the audience niche that suitable with your videos, which is related to your YouTube videos or your YouTube channel. So first you need to have your targeted audience, then you need to have the ebook or video related to them. So for example, your audience is niche is diet. It means that your channel or your YouTube videos is diet, so you need to have ebook or video related to diet. Or if your audience, your YouTube channel audience or YouTube videos audience is the niche is affiliate marketing, so you need to have ebook or video to related to affiliate marketing in order to share with them. So this is the first step that you need to follow. So we will move to the second step. Okay, for the second step, you need to get the shareable download link in order for your audience to download the ebook or videos. For my case, I'm using the ebooks from Python Resources Digital Library. So in this platform, they already have their own shareable download link, so I don't have to upload the video or ebooks at the Google Drive. So if you have your own ebook or your own video, you need to upload it at the Google Drive first in order to get the shareable link. So in this case, I'm using this Python Resources Digital Library. So in this case, let me explain to you. Okay, this is when you access the digital library, you will see all the ebooks. There are more than 100 ebooks with different niches. So it is there is a download link beside the ebook. For example, let me show you. Okay, you just need to right click the download, the word download here, because there is a hyperlink. For example, I use this affiliate mastery, so
I just right click the download here and get the hyperlink, and I copy the entire URL for this affiliate mastery. So this URL I will paste it in the platform which I can access in the digital library. So I paste it in order to get the sharing link which you can monetize it. So this is the second step. So let us move to the third step. Okay, for the third step, you will share the sharing URL that you generated from the platform, share with your targeted audience. Okay, here in the case study they mentioned that you can create a topic or join hot topic at Reddit, Quora, Facebook group, or any communities group. But in our case, okay, you just need to to put your sharing URL at your video description, at your YouTube video description. So no need to to create the topics or like this example. This is if you are using this method out of YouTube, but in our case we want to monetize your video or channel. So you just need to share the URL at the video description or at the pinned comment. When you make a comment, just pin it with this sharing URL, so all your audience or your visitors of your channel or your videos, so they will click the sharing link. So once they click, you will get paid. It's very simple. They don't have to buy anything. They just simply get the ebook or videos that you share, then you will get paid. This is really simple steps, only 3 simple steps. Then you can monetize your channel even without 1000 subscribers and without 4000 hours watching time, and also without any affiliate products. So you just need to share the URL and get paid. So if you want to start, you need to get the access. Okay, you just need to click in the video, in the description. There is a link I share in the video description, a link to the platform. So you just need to click, and there is an explanation there. So you just need to follow, and you can immediately start to make money from your YouTube, or from your YouTube channel or your YouTube videos. Okay, you should try it. This is very simple, and it is almost impossible if you say that you cannot make any single dollar. It is almost impossible because they have guarantee that you can make money. This is 100% guarantee. They have, this system is very good, perfect. Then you can monetize your channel and videos immediately. So the step that you need to follow is only 3 simple steps. And how to start it? Just simply click the link at the video description below. So I hope this can help you to generate money to monetize your YouTube channel and videos, even you are small YouTubers. So good luck and try it now. Thank you for watching.